In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to gift games on Steam in 2026. Whether you are looking to surprise a friend for their birthday, celebrate a special holiday, or just share a game you love with a teammate, Steam makes the gifting process incredibly straightforward. This is one of the best features of the platform because it allows you to send digital copies of thousands of titles directly to anyone on your friends list without needing to worry about physical shipping or complicated codes. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, it is important to remember that you can only gift games to people who are already on your Steam friends list, and regional pricing restrictions might apply if you are sending a gift to a friend in a different country. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the first step. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer or visit the Steam website in your preferred web browser. Once you are logged into your account, navigate over to the Store tab located at the top of the interface. This is where you will browse for the specific game you wish to purchase for your friend. You can use the search bar in the top right corner to find a specific title, or explore the various categories and sales on the homepage. Once you have located the game you want to gift, click on its thumbnail to open the dedicated game page. Scroll down until you see the purchase options and look for the green button that says Add to Cart. Go ahead and click that. Steam will then take you to your shopping cart, where you will see two distinct options: Purchase for myself and Purchase as a gift. Since we are sending this to someone else, you will want to select the Purchase as a gift option. This will then open up your Steam friends list. From this menu, carefully scroll through and select the friend you want to receive the game. If you have a long list of friends, you can use the search bar provided to find their name quickly. After selecting the recipient, you will be taken to a personalization screen. This is a great part of the process because it allows you to add a custom message. You can enter the recipient's name, write a heartfelt or funny note, and even choose a sentiment like happy birthday or thank you. You can also schedule the gift to be delivered at a specific date and time if you want it to be a surprise for later. Once you have finished your message and settings, click on the Continue button at the bottom. This will bring you to the final payment screen. Here, you will choose your preferred payment method, whether that is your Steam wallet, a credit card, or PayPal. Review your order details one last time to ensure you are sending the correct game to the right person. Once everything looks perfect, complete the payment process to finalize the transaction. As soon as the payment is processed, Steam will send a notification to your friend letting them know they have a new gift waiting for them, and you will receive an email receipt for your records. It is as simple as that. You have successfully shared some gaming joy with a friend. If this video helped you navigate the Steam store today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy the games.